In this video, I will explain you how to factory reset any mobile. The reason of factory reset would be if you want to give or sell your device to someone else, or your mobile infected by viruses, or setting or any files corrupted. Okay. A factory reset is a process that erases the data of a mobile and restore it to mostly the same condition as when it was first purchased. Okay, so I requesting you to see this full video to know step by step process about mobile factory reset. Before starting, ensure your device battery is charged to at least 75% power. This process remove all the personal informations on your mobile device like photos, videos, your files. So you must take backup of your mobile. Also remove your memory card if you have inserted. Process can take an hour or more to complete. Okay, so let's start. Each Android device reset option place is slightly different. So I will show you mainly where to get factory reset option. In Android mobile, go to settings, then find general management option, or find system setting option, or find backup reset option. If you not found anywhere this reset option, then go to search bar and write factory reset. You will get that link. So click on that link. It will be redirect you that reset option. In reset option, click on erase all data factory reset option. Okay. It will ask you to confirm it. So confirm it. So process of mobile factory reset is starting. Your device should reboot and may show a progress screen indicating that it is erasing the data. After it finishes deleting the data on a device, the operating system will restart again and will arrive at a screen similar to a one when you first unpacked it from the box. This was the process of mobile factory reset. So goodbye for now, but don't forget to like and comment to this video. Thank you.